Hello, this is Javier. Welcome to my channel. Really happy to stay here again. This is the hour 136. Uh, to make a brief summary, I am studying Power BI, but actually, it's important to understand how Power Pivot and Power Query works. In this way, we can understanding these tools, we can improve our uh, basically our way to work because with this stuff we can improve process cleaning data and to make or to create relationship between two or many tables. I read something like that. I read something that Power Pivot is the most powerful tool that update that Excel had in the last 20 years. So this is really amazing and hope that you can enjoy it. And as you can see now, I have basically we have many data from here. Our idea is to create some tables or some bridge to connect the budget execution from one month to the other months. For example, you can say that, okay, I have my initial balance here and I have my final balance here. So I need to understand which or where is my main difference or why I have a difference, why I increase or decrease in these steps. So in that case, we come here and we have this data from El Titan, from Cardiac, from Apollo, and from Realidad. This means that here we have the budget from these three projects. Just to give you a background about this, we have our bridge here. We have our summary. Summary means that summary is by project that you can see. There is Titan, Apollo, Kodiak here, and with here we have like a consolidated information, and we have the information here per Q. This doesn't work for us, so we need to go to details. We need have, as you can see, Titan here, we have Kodiak here, we have Apollo too. But as you can see, in this case, Titan and Kodiak, the data is in a table format, but Apollo is not in that format. So we need to work on it and we need to solve it. A good way to do that is through is with Power Query. So in this case, we will create it. So I need to make these tables and I will put something like label redes. As you can see, this one is just a summary, so we don't use it. After to do this, I go into here and I will add this to my mistake. Okay, wrong process. As you what is something that you don't to you do. I will delete it because basically I was wrong. I have mistake here. I need to add this, but on Power Query. So I need to go here in data, from data from table orange. So as you can see, I will have Power Query, and this is the most powerful tool for me to work with Excel. So to clean data in Excel. I forget what is the name that my top information have. I need to close it. I discard this one. One mistake. So I need to save something like record. I will use this one. So I will use record and I need to hold this title. Why? Because I need to be sure that I use the correct title in my data. So actually, I come here and data. Nice. So actually, as you can see, we are on Power Query. Power Query is used to clean data. So if you have a data and you need to clean it and you need to set up the change that you need to apply, so this is the way to do it. So in this case, I will do something like I need to delete the total, sorry. Um, yeah, I need to use it to delete the total. Let's see. I need to delete the total. So I need to delete this one. After this, I need to I need to void the denomination. So after that, okay, as you can see, I already solved this one, and I need to use here project. Okay, this is like subcategory. So as you can see, I'm still. I am using some information here. Okay, I will use solve it in Power Pivot. So after that one, I need to go here and I need to say something like, okay, so but some important here is that you can make this. I need to delete this one, total. So I need to go here. I need to come here and I need to say something like I need to remove some information from the bottom of my data. So I will give this information one bottom. So that's it already. Then we'll okay, void. That's it. So after this one, I need to add a column. One of the column is product department. We need to add the year. So that's it. So after this, department subcategory amount cook. here. So I need to go here and I will close it, and I will close it as a just a connection. So after this, here's the fail. Is overuse. It's hard, it's hard. Mm. That's it. Department, subcategory, amount, Q, and year. So after this, I need to go home. I need to create only the connection. I know maybe another thing that I could do or make here is just to join the data, but that is not the main idea. So in this case, I only do this. Last one I going to here, I will add from table or data. So after that, I need to go here and I need to delete this stuff here and like this one, and I need to remove the data in the bottom. So I will remove it. So it's done. Another stuff is to avoid the dynamization. So come here. That's it. So after to finish this one, as you can see, I already finished. So the option that I use, there is an option here in you can push click in the right click. So as you can see, there is options like merge or annexer. So I will use this option because I need to put one information over the other. So as you hear three or more, so label is ready. I will use Redis and I will use software too. So after that, I will go into aceptar and I will have a bigger data now than the other ones. So in this case, I will use project. I need to use that column. So actually, I have the proyecto, department, subcategory, amount, Q, year. I will use need to remove this datos from table or range. So actually, something is still wrong now. I don't know what's happening because oh my goodness, something okay, something is wrong. So I need to discard. I think it's from Titan. Okay. Oh, okay, it's ready. So actually, I need to go here. Only connection. I know that I can do this in a better way, so in a faster way too. But actually, I wanted to follow all the process to understand where can I found a mistake or where can I found a better way to do it. So in this case, after this, I need to add this to a table too. No, what did you hear? Ah, my goodness, something is still wrong because data. I need to add this one Kodiak. Yeah, only connection. Okay, it's ready. Nightfall. Nightfall. Falling out. So I need to do it again. I need to make this an XR 3 or more. So I need to add this one Titan. I need to use this Kodiak. And I know maybe you can say, hey man, I can do that in the other way. So you can do it. And I know, and I think that I can put this like final and semi-final. So in that case, I will put something like, uh, again, I will use it just a connection. So after this, I need to come here. Maybe I can do it here. I put, so I can say something like this: Q1, Q2, Q4, and for date, I can say something like, and then here I can say something like this, then something like this, then something like this one. So still ready. So in this case, I can I will use this as trims, and I need to add this one to the data too. So you will find, because actually I have a problem. I will you let me know what is that problem. So as you can see in my data, actually I have this information. I have the bridge, I have the summary, I have the budget titan, I have budget Kodiak, but in last one, as you can see, I have a reality or the real expense that the company is still spending. So, but as you can see, this information is per date and is per day. So actually, I can't compare my budget with this reality because of the real expense because I don't have dates. So And then, as you can see here, there is no date, there is only Q. So in that case, I need to add a column called as date, but there is no way to know it. So in this case, the first thing that I need to do is to charge this uh, table of trims in my data. So after that, when, as you can see, I still have, I can come here and I can say it's like, hey, I need that you merge this table and this will request which one. So I will say that I need to merge with trims. Oh, yeah, it's this one. And I need to create the merge with who. So after this, you will see here in my screen, yeah, this like weight or two arrows. So I will make click here and I will say that hey, I don't need the Q and I don't need the name of the previous chart. So I only use the date. So in this case, as you can see, my budget right now have dates. So as you can see, the Q2 is started from April, the Q3 started from 7, Q4 from 11. So that's good. Actually, I already completed my data, so I can I am able to make whatever that I want. My goodness, my actually my I am sleepy now, so this is too bad. Oh, this stuff is so actually sorry, I am sleepy. But actually I already have the my table. Actually I already create the relationship that I need to all I already clean my data. So in this case I can compare this data with the real expense that I have. So I will put some a name like budget. So I need to add so I need a table, but I need to add to the model too. That's it. Here in view, that's it. Budget, final budget. So I put it near to the reality. So the reality I need to So after this, I need to do something like ready. I need to add a calendar, so I need to go and design table of dates new. I'm tired. So tired. So I will bring some coffee. So really sorry because I was sleepy and that was not good. And That could be one of reason, but actually we need to. Okay, this doesn't work because we need to create some categories. I don't need to work with dates. That doesn't work to me. I need to work with categories because in my maybe to understand the logic that what I am saying is that we need to go to our model. So we need to identify which one of these categories is increasing or decreasing, or which one is the cause of the result of my transaction. So in this case, I need to make something here. Facilities, HR maintenance. I think subcat is the correct one. Department, no? This is a lot. No, I don't think so. I don't think this is the correct. No, I don't think so. Because I need a really nice information. No, it's from department. So I need to use the data from department. So I will use something here like a table. I need to clean this data first, so I need to delete duplicated information. Oh, this is not good. Mm. Uh, okay, already. By department, that doesn't work. So let's see what's happening if we use subcategory. I think this is a lot too. So definitely we need to work with subcategory. So we will use subcategory. Mm, subcat. Then I need to add to the model. Mm, mm. Tired. I'm so tired now. So actually, after to finish this one, I'm so tired now. I wanted to sleep. That's the only thing that I wish to do now. But no, important thing to consider. That's it. So I already created this one here. As you can see, I already modify my calendar. I add Q here because I really need this information to work in my Power Pivot well. So as I remember, as I told to you, that the most important thing when we are manipulating a data from so after this I am sleepy now, so I'm really sad for that, but it's really late. So actually I already done this one. My next follow or my next step is to able to I know this is too late now, so but I need to recover the hour. So bad idea to create measure in a calendar. So I think that I am sleepy. I really sorry for this, but I need to go to sleep. Bye.